run over this guy's curb. Yeah, there we go. And there we go. Good morning, campers. We are rolling. It's time for us to get out of here. I need to grab some reefer fuel. We need to head for our customer. Oh, perfect. One open. We're heading for a familiar customer, Pick Sweet in Brownsville. We have delivered there before. This will be the first time picking up. So let's get going. All right. We got ourselves some cargo. About 20 tons of it. I need to switch my duty status. Hours of service, change, drive, okay. Cleared those. Cleared that. Okay, we're good to go. First things first, cat scale. I need to check our axle weights. See, I'm loaded all the way back to the doors, so I slid the axles a little bit further back since it's kind of tail heavy. So we want to check that out, especially with 20 tons of cargo on board. So nice to have a trailer that pulls straight. This is great. This is wonderful. Weird. The school zone's off. Even though the school is clearly in session, the lights are off. Weird. They were on when I came in. Speed limit is 25 through here. I was the only person going slow, of course. Because, you know, school zones don't matter. Let's head back to the TA, get this load scaled out, hit the road, see how far we can get today. It is only 10:20 a.m. By the time we leave the scale, probably about 10:40
3 miles ahead, turn left on ramp to I-40 East.
Why'd you wait that long just to pull out in front of me? No, Mazda. It's super weird. We've got a brand spanking new 2018 utility trailer, but it has no tail. Very, very strange. behind that thing didn't realize trucks were going to come through here. Oh well. We got pretty new tires. I'm sure they handled that just fine. I hope. We'll find out, won't we? I hate when they set up Catskills like this. They're some of the worst to get onto. Alright. Gently now. Gently.
57 miles ahead, keep left on Sam Cooper Boulevard West, then keep right.
Alright, we're over far enough. Trailer's gonna follow me onto the scale? Yes, okay. Trailer's on the scale by like 3 inches. Awesome. Stop. Release. And let's get this thing running.
Alright, I got you.
Thank you. Excellent. We are not only legal, oh no, we're not actually that well balanced. We're still tail heavy. What do you know? Alright. But we are legal. We're in the 9th hole. We could slide it forward a little. I don't know. Let's park, do my paperwork for this, and you know, I can't really justify paying for another scale ticket when we're legal and it's not that badly balanced. Honestly, I think this will be fine. This will be fine. We're only a little tail heavy. a tough spot. Oh, that was a tough one. But we are parked. And we got one of the relatively easy spots here, actually. Sadly, that was what you consider an easy spot at the Flying J here in Texarkana. The only easier spots are the paid spots, but then you get blocked into the paid spots by people parking illegally once the rest of the lot fills up at night. It's not good. There we go. Hi guys. Whoop. How much trash is in here? Not much. I went through 1 can of Pringles and a single Mountain Dew today. Working on number 2. Mountain Dew number 2, not something else. Oh, hi. We are getting barked at. Our next door neighbor's dog. But we are parked. We are safely parked here at the Flying J in Texarkana. I don't normally like backing into single wide spots if I can avoid it, but this was a spot on the back row. 2 people clearly parked for the night, not going anywhere. Yeah, I did so many pull forwards to make sure that this lineup was perfect before I actually tried getting all the way into the spot. Just like, I'm not risking anything. I'm taking this slow, and I'm gonna make sure I've got the angle right before I back all the way in. And that's what we did. Once we got the back end in, it was just a matter of getting the tractor around so the trailer would go straight back into the spot without taking out any of these guys' mirrors. We stuck nice and close to the truck on my inside because that gives you more room on your blind side for trailer swing. We made it work. I picked this spot specifically because we had plenty of room to swing the nose. Still, that was super tight. I don't like this truck stop very much. It's way too tiny. They need to widen the lanes a little bit between the parking spots, or make all the spots angled or something. I think that would be better. Angled parking here would solve lots of these problems. Whew. But yeah, we're parked. I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Ouroboros, AzerAnger17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe. And of course, come say hi on Twitter at Ouroboros, no apostrophe. We did at least get our spot. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.